For over 125 years, the Shaw's sinks have become a staple in England and around the world for the unparalleled quality and handmade finishes. Each sink takes almost a month to make by one person. They last for generations. They're passed down from family to family. What makes them so different? It's really about the quality of how they're made. And what happens is that it's a 3 to 4 week process where one artisan will carefully craft the sink and shape it. There's no injection molding here. It's a handmade, hand-shaped sink that ends up with this beautiful hand-finished quality and a thickness that you're not going to see anywhere else. You know a Shaw's sink by its famous logo, but you also know it from the touch and the feel and the durability. These last for generation after generation. To experience any of the House of Rohl brands, including Rohl, Perrin & Rowe, Riabel, Shaw's, Victoria & Albert, please visit your closest Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in either Studio City, Torrance, Costa Mesa, Calabasas, or the newest location in Santa Clarita.